Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. Hopefully you're having a great day and maybe got some meal prepping going on in there. I have got some chicken going here because I'm going to get started on the butter chicken. So I'm putting nourish broth in instead of using oil, just a bit of water, the nourish broth, and get the chicken going. All right. I've got eggs, which I'm going to turn the heat off for that and get going on the rice. So I'm using our multi-purpose steamer with the tray, and then I'm going to put in some rice. Nope, that's not rice. Morning, Julie. That's Ozo. Oopsie. All right, there's the rice. Wrong one. Forgot to label these. All right, 1 cup of rice. And sharing the coconut milk with and a little bit of oat milk, and then the rest will be water. All right, there we go. Get that mix. So coconut milk, a little bit of oat milk, water, and rice. Okay, so the rest of the coconut milk is going in with the chicken. Grab meat, butter, chicken, season. Oops. I need about half. Right. So that's chicken seasoning, half the seasoning, so it's just half the amount of chicken. I do need a little bit of butter. And in tomato, I'm just going to use just a regular tomato. It says crushed tomatoes. You could use a can of crushed tomatoes. You could use tomato sauce, tomato paste, whatever you want for that. A good morning. What would you like? It's too late. You have to pull that earlier. All right, so I got the butter, the seasoning, the chicken, it's all in there. I'm actually going to pull out a bunch of vegetables we had frozen. Good morning. So it's cabbage, kale, and that's what I'm going to use for our vegetables, because to be honest, it's going to be all mushy anyways, and it'll just kind of blend into it all. So that's that. All right. So I just got to do the tomato, and that will be ready. So I'm just going to pull out the eggs. So I'm making some pickled eggs, but I'm going to use a different flavor. I'm going to use Asian stir fry. So I've got the hot water here already. And I'm going to put some vinegar. Actually, wrong way. This way. Pour in a bit of water. Pour in the rest with the... You can tell that Victor pour stuff. This one, way too much vinegar. Oh. Okay, Asian stir fry. So this is the one I'm using. It's got sesame seeds and garlic, lemon, red bell pepper, cayenne pepper, bit of orange and all that in there. So perfect for a bit of more of an Asian flavor. And I will put a tiny bit of soy sauce in it as well. Okay, so that's ready for the eggs once it all cools down. The eggs need to cool down. And then I will peel them before I put them in so that way I can just grab and go. Because it's just for me, because somebody doesn't like eggs in this house. All right. The other half of the chicken, I actually just put into the round steamer. And what I'm going to actually use is just sticky orange seasoning. The last half of the one we made last time. All right. So it needs some soy sauce, and I'm just going to use water. Okay, and then when the rice is done, I can throw this in, cook it up, and then it's perfect for lunches for me for like today or tomorrow and Tuesday? Tuesday, that'll be it. Okay, and this will go great with the coconut rice as well. Okay, so that's that. Butter chicken. Alrighty, looks good. Some tomato. Now, the cool thing about butter chicken, you make it home, you can make it your way. I'm more of a Tibetan butter chicken person. Less tomato, more butter, which is perfect because I'm not really much into tomatoes. But they do give a nice acidity. Yeah. And the other thing is I don't have to put onions in it because we know what I think about onions. All right, there we go. Half a tomato. Smells delicious in here already. Okay. So there we go. That's the butter chicken with cabbage and kale and tomatoes. I'm going to turn that down to low, let that just simmer away. The sticky orange, which I forgot to show you, it's this one here, all set and ready to go in the microwave when the rice is done. Eggs are cooling, all good. All right, now on to what we were going to taste test, right, which is what we wanted. So we grabbed a container of mascarpone cheese instead of cream cheese, and that's what we're going to make today with the new dip, chocolate caramel macchiato sweet dip. Now you can use this for putting inside a cake or on a cake or in the middle of cookies. There's so many things you can make with this one. So it needs, before I dump it all in, okay, you don't need the full amount. All right. And that's it. You just literally mix it up. So if you have the whipping cream in it, so the recipe calls for 1 brick of cream cheese and a 1/4 cup of whipping cream. I'm not doing the 1/4 cup, so I just removed some of the mix. You can use that for something else. Another dip. Mix it up really well. So if you had a beater or whatever, you could use that, or a stand mixer or something if you don't want to beat. This is really good arm exercises here. So you can already see how awesome that looks. Like it would be perfect as a like icing for cupcakes or something. If you did it with the cream cheese, you can use lactose or vegan cream cheese or whatever. Vegan coconut cream, I think it is for the whipping cream. Okay, there we are. Let's try this. Okay. I can see what everyone's going on about. This one is awesome. Oh my gosh. Now I want to make cupcakes and cookies and put this onto shortbread cookies. Oh, the sugar cookies. This would be awesome. I'm just gonna keep eating it. Mm. Okay, you need to get this one if you like chocolate caramel. Um, oops, you need this one in your house. It is really, really good. Okay, the other thing we were gonna try was the mocha, and I didn't prepare for the mocha, so I will do the mocha afterwards and show it to you because I've got to heat up some milk. Although I suppose I could do it with water. It's 2 tablespoons of mix with 1 cup of hot water. And if you want to ice it, a half a cup of hot water to dissolve it, and then a half a cup of cold milk and pour over ice and blend and top with whipped cream, coffee, whatever you want to do. So anyway, when I can get it open, I will make some using my espresso machine to do that. But that's the mocha. So coffee, chocolate, and cane sugar is all that's in here. Organic cane sugar, coffee powder, organic cocoa powder. So I will make that and come back on and do that. Okay, that's it. That was my intention for today. I'm now going to eat a whole bunch of this caramel chocolate macchiato dip because it's really good. And the butter chicken is good to go. And the rice has been 10 minutes. So I'll just give you a quick kind of look at it. It'll need more than that, but that's in essence. Just so I want to make sure it was going well. Another 10 minutes and the rice will be done. And then I put the sticky chicken in and crack open my eggs and do my pickled eggs. Put them in the fridge for a couple days and I'll have them. All right, that's it. Under 15 minutes. Woohoo! And only just didn't do the coffee one, which I will totally show you after. What was I going to say? So yes, as I posted Tuesday, Monday? What day was the first? Friday, my little video about all the new stuff. So, right, the chocolate caramel macchiato, the mocha maple balsamic chicken, the sugar cookies, and the spiced apple cider. Those are all new flavors. Tried everything now except for the mocha, which I will do today. The maple balsamic chicken is awesome. We tried it from the Epic Box, really good. I just had some of this, and I'll be honest with you, I am going to keep eating it. It's really good. And what else? I have apple cider. Cider is really great. Good for the apple juice, whatever. You can make those cool apple roses I posted about yesterday. So yeah, lots going on. Now, if you are a fan favorite of our older stuff, they're back. The chocolate cheesecake, the pumpkin pie, the butter tarts, the baked apple sweet mix, and the cran apple cinnamon sweet mix, dip mix, whatever. They are all delicious and they great for going in yogurts, and obviously anything like that. So recommend getting those as quickly as you can. I have a feeling those ones won't last because everyone will be jumping in on those. And of course, we have tons and tons of collections that are all on sale, which is amazing. Like all nice, selection for a great gift. You can get them and put them on a nice board and wrap them up and give them away. Just have them for yourself when you're entertaining, like the grazing board or the modern throwbacks. Or the champagne and shenanigans looks like fun. Sylvie's dinner party looks amazing. I'm totally going to try that one. Well, I already ordered it. So yes, I'm trying that one. And then there's other ones, the Christmas dinner. Obviously the holiday mix is back. We have the full 24 meal solutions with 2 shortbreads, which is also on sale for $100. So amazing. So tons and tons of collections to grab. Get them quickly because I'm sure they will go as well. And yeah, feel free to reach out. Yeah, reach out to me if you're ready to order and you want to talk about anything. If you want to have your own event, whether Facebook or in person, I have some time in November to do that. And it'd be a great opportunity to share all of these collections that are happening and new products and returning ones. You can still get that extra $40 once you hit a 500 level cooking class. We have a cool host special, which is the large sheet pan, the large Larner, with the rolling pin and the pastry mat, which you see me use the pastry mat all the time. I love that thing. My aunt uses it with her kids with Lego because then it doesn't push into the like wood tables and things. So it's great for more than just baking. And yeah, what else? Oh, and you can still become your own ambassador. We have still two options. One is digital, one is the kit. So if you want the cool pink kit, great. If you just want the digital because you're already stocked up and good to go and want to just start using that discount right away, it's $19.95 and you can get going on that right now. And it's a perfect time because it's the holiday season. So you can get paid on the items that you're sharing with your family and friends, right? All right, that's it. I'll leave you be. Have a great Sunday. And yeah, reach out. Let's chat about how to make your holiday entertaining super easy and delicious.